Check out this certified pre-owned 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 2500. Carfax has certified this Silverado 2500 as having one owner. This Silverado 2500 has just under 23,500 miles. This Silverado 2500 boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 5-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, auxiliary audio input, tow package, driver airbag and side curtain airbags. Call 866-483-5896 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.